Are we rolling?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, yo, I'm Jinx.
Oh, that was pussy, bro.
Hey, yo, I'm Sil.
Oh, he let you know.
Yo, you didn't mind.
Back at it again.
Yo. And I forgot what it was. The motherfucker, baby. Everybody know what's up.
Alright, welcome back. We're in Irondale, Missouri. We are going to go explore an abandoned railroad building. So that's all I'm saying because I didn't do research and this was a last minute thing. So let's just get into it. Yeah, if I do it.
Yes. Hey, Sam, you professional.
Alright, you ready?
Fuck off.
Who's going in first?
Your ass.
Thanks for volunteering, bitch ass in there. Damn, bro. See?
Yo, what the fuck? That's menacing.
Yo.
He likes steak, by the way.
Look at that.
Is that all on video? Yo.
Yo, what the fuck, bro? Oh my god. Bro,
There's a room over there. We're going in there.
You know the main.
We got a little bitch. He's getting down. I think. Oh yeah, he got there. He might have sucked a little dick doing it, but he's here.
Okay.
All right, here's the cam.
This
This shit's wild,
So
bro.
this is gonna be like the most they've seen me on camera.
Oh yeah. Yeah, because we got your sister filming now. Honestly, it's a big deal.
Hey, should I like? Yo, they need to be careful as fuck going down that
I'm going
way.
up there because I get the light.
I'm a
And I'm gonna check these extra stuff. This shit breaks, bro. That's like I walked up it.
no, but be very fucking careful.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. It's not gonna stick though.
You ready?
No.
One at a time.
We're just.
Go T.
Fuck, I'm gonna do this.
Come on. Got it. Careful.
Yeah.
That's just like broken boards and shit right there.
I know.
Try and make your way all the way down. You got this.
Oh my god.
You got it.
Shake it.
You got it. You're doing good. You're doing good. You're doing good. Sammy's gonna be able to do it faster than you. Come on.
As long as you hold on to that board, you'll be good.
Oh my god. Yeah. Just don't go on your butt. I got you. I got you. Hey, big step. Big step. Big step. There you go. Yo.
I think row films a little bit, but I don't.
Coming this way. I'm going. Here, this room over here leads over there, so. Yo. Y'all gonna send me this way by myself?
I don't know. I'll be up there.
Yo, this shit's sketchy. Yo, that was fucking scary.
Yeah, just look down here for some light, because there's some just some.
You want me to go over there?
Yeah, I'm gonna go this way.
Alright. Hang on. Do y'all need the light?
Maybe,
Wait, she has her light. Oh, shit. Yeah.
Oh my fucking god. I thought that was a nigga.
Yo. This shit's sketchy as fuck by yourself.
I feel like you stepped when I get up here anyway.
I just kind of lifted myself up. Say, it's not that hard. It's kind of like really fucking easy, actually.
I know, I can't let the
But like, there's clothes and shit up here, dude. Like some old ass jars, old ass shoes.
Wait, so wait, what is in
Yo, yo, yo! That's an old ass fucking shoe. Hey, 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 this can be our thing from here. Y'all still working on getting in here? Where'd they go?
There ain't no way y'all are for real right now.
bro, there's a big hole there and there's soft spots all right there.
Hey, then just go back down there.
Dude,
it's
literally-
really freaking easy.
Dude, literally, if me and Ush both pull up, both your arms up, literally, it'd be
Yeah,
easy.
y'all
It'd be easy
can,
as
all three of y'all can get up here. Hey, gonna go around?
Bro, you can get up this shit at least, bro.
They're gonna try and go around here.
Where?
Yo, no. Is that figurative or a literal question?
Yeah, do you mean literally or?
Because there's two.
I know we did.
Why ain't going
Okay,
fuck
this
that
I
fucking
trust.
place? Fuck that shit.
No, that's like some homeless people. We could have climbed through there. Oh, I don't know about this.
I was about to push you to get in closer.
You got it for me. Go.
Thank you. You're going slow.
God, I'm so hot.
Where you at, Josh?
He's up there. You can come this way.
I don't trust that.
Here, right here.
Right.
You can come through this way.
Yo,
Here.
It's okay. Yeah, what if this collapses?
What?
What if this collapses?
If it collapses, then you might, I don't know, hurt yourself.
Die?
Here,
Oh, are you coming on top of the roof?
I wouldn't do that.
That's what makes it
Yeah,
fun.
we do dumb shit like
Why
that.
is there so much clothes in here?
People stay.
Yeah, this is where people sleep. Like,
we
you know,
gotta find.
the homeless and shit like that.
Yo, we gotta find.
Don't stand up. Stop it. Stop. Please don't do that. Please,
And
actually
then they'll
don't.
drink candles. We're supposed to talk during the videos.
Gives it more fun. This here's probably the most
Pray to
sturdy
God,
room.
don't jump. I will kill you.
All right.
Alright, are you trying to get up? Wait, I thought, did you go under? I thought you were gonna
No,
go
no,
under.
no, I didn't go under. Should I go under?
No.
I was thinking at least down like through right there.
If we can't go up, we can go under.
Alright, let's figure out a way to go up. Cam, girl, look at fucking filming. She filming the fucking.
hey guys, we
Bricks and shit.
found a moth. I
Look how big
named
this
it Terry. I named it Terry the moth.
What the fuck?
Yeah, just step over
This
that.
might look you.
Get you all in it.
Huh?
Get you all in it. Like you-
Don't use that. Oh fuck.
Mother.
That's who you are.
You are the motherfucker.
Yeah, you're the motherfucker.
Fucking hell.
Okay, hey,
That's what
get
we're
your
at.
foot up on that board.
Oh, dude, I told Usher about a potential
Yeah.
plane blown out randomly. And you know the
Hey, you guys filming?
I can't, but.
Yeah.
camera girl is
Okay, I'm up.
the little
Okay.
motion sensors that you put on the ground.
999.
Somehow have the
I think I'm gonna need to retake that. I forgot to do it.